Hello and welcome everyone to Gold Asset of the Day for the 10th of March 2021, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. So as we head into the middle of the week here, what do you need to be aware of? Well, following on from our week ahead commodity report, where we discussed with you that you wanted to be building positions over this week. In fact, we highlighted with you buy opportunities on silver, on platinum, and also gold. So today, with our members at the Gold and Silver Club, we banked 1,000 points over 3 positions. That's 2 on platinum, 1 on gold. So every 1 lot that you'd be trading, that's going to be $10,000 of profit. For every 10 lots that you'd be trading, that's $100,000 of profit. And that's just within the matter of a couple of days. So we have seen that explosive breakout at the beginning of the week here. Gold prices basically have rallied 400 points off their lows. We've seen over a 450 point breakout for platinum, where we built 2 positions in the last few days. And we've also seen a big breakout to the upside on silver, as we mentioned on the week ahead commodity report. Feel free to go back and watch that. We discussed with you, wanted to look at accumulation zone on silver between 24 to 26 US dollars per ounce. And today we've broken back towards $26 per ounce. We've actually had the opportunity here on the sell-offs we've seen over the last few days to build an additional 4 positions on silver. So we now have 8 positions on silver. With gold, we tend to like to be more fluid in this market, in and out on a regular basis. It is more of a range-bound market. We still would suggest to be nimble, bank profits regularly, whereas silver is slightly different in the context that we are seeing higher lows, higher highs in that market. Overall, we're targeting above $30 per ounce, and platinum's been a great opportunity after it sold off over 2,500 points over the last 2 weeks to now come in low and establish these positions. So that's moved really well over the course of this week, and it's played out exactly as we expected there. And feel free to go back and watch the report where we did discuss this with you in detail. So with that, what else are we looking at over the course of this week? So on Thursday, we have the European Central Bank announcement. That can also be a catalyst for big moves, as can Friday's non-farm payroll. So on Friday, we did see essentially lows get put in with the metals, giving us great opportunities to accumulate more positions at lower prices. So later on in the week with the European Central Bank announcement, and we still have the stimulus to go through in the USA as well, which is at the final stages. All of these, of course, can cause that really good volatility that we want for the metals. And this week it's been a perfect storm of 3 confluencing factors that are helping the metals as well. So first of all, we have the dollar, which is under some pressure now. It broke out to 92.50 at the beginning of the week. As we mentioned with you last week, we were long the dollar, we banked the dollar. It subsequently now started to pull back. With the dollar pulling back, we've also seen 10-year yields pull back, and the gold-silver ratio has broken back down again. So all of these are confluencing factors providing further support for the metals. Now, still, it's a good idea to keep locking in profits regularly. What this means is when you bank some profits, if you do see the normal volatility that we get day to day and week to week on the metals, especially gold and silver, you can then reload again at lower prices and really take advantage of the trading market that we're in right now. Essentially on gold, if you've been buying, for example, since June or July of last year, you've made no money if you've just been buying and holding. The price has come all the way back down, tested 9-month lows, but it's been a great market to trade, right? So you want to capitalize on the week to week ranges. Gold has already moved 400 points in a single day. And it's this volatility which is absolutely perfect for trading the markets. So in terms of the gold forecast for this week, and as we go into the following week as well, what I would look at over this week is a basing formation on the metals. We've already established many of our trades where we may continue to add to those positions, but we're also taking regular profits off the table. So I'd look for a basing formation this week. Keep an eye on that dollar index, the 10-year treasuries, and also platinum and silver for the correlations with gold. You can also utilize gold miners to look at those correlations, such as GDX as well. So really what we want to observe is whether we continue this momentum or a basing formation which accelerates as we then go into next week, where we have the FOMC statement next Wednesday as well. So we have really back-to-back opportunities in the coming days. We have the European Central Bank announcement, the stimulus being announced in the USA, and then the FOMC statement next week. I do hope that you've already capitalized on some of these massive moves that we've seen since Friday's non-farm payroll data and even over the last 24 hours. As you may know, trading commodities is a zero-sum game. So in order for somebody to be winning, there needs to be someone on the other side of the trade who's effectively losing. Trading outdated technical analysis strategies, using indicators which just do not work in today's market conditions. It is the professional traders in the market who are making all the money. So with that, if you would like to learn a research-driven approach to the market, where you will be using data, intelligence, understanding of capital flows, daily, weekly, monthly, yearly cycles in the market, marry that up to with sentiment, macroeconomics, understanding of key areas of liquidity that are targeted. It's just as important to know when to bank profits as when to actually come into your trades as well. Have awareness of the seasonal plays in the market, the intermarket correlations, the ratios, and what, of course, the hedge funds, banks, and institutions are doing in the market as well. That will help you massively to get an edge. So with that, if you would like to join our community of successful traders, learn the research-driven approach to the market, there is an opportunity for you to do so and join our professional mentorship program. All you need to do is click in the link below today's report in order to make an application to become a member of the Gold and Silver Club.